drop the beat down. How it go? Waiting for some more y'all to get on. Yeah, O.P.P, how can I explain it? I take a frame it to have you all jumping shot. I'm saying it. O is for other, P is for Yo, what's going on? Y'all remember that jam right there? It's one of them hot hits from the 90s. O.P.P. O.P.P, how can I explain it? Naughty by nature. A lot of people was into that right there, that O.P.P. Had a lot of messages in that O.P.P. You know, others people, the last P will scratch your temple. That's not that simple. So, what's going on, y'all? Anzy Dawkins here. And, O.P.P 2019. Y'all down with O.P.P 2019. You know, what's that? Probably like over 20 years now. 20-something years that song been out. Over 20-something years. Yeah, wow. So, that O.P.P Naughty by Nature, but right now, I want to talk about O.P.P for 2019. Like the song said, one verse of the song says property, you know. So for me, it's gonna be properties, other people property, but using the internet and the wide amount of ranges of things that we can do on the internet. So for me, O.P.P is basically for 2019 is utilizing other people's property. Not saying taking advantage of it, but getting involved with other people's property, you know. And talking about other people's property, I'm not talking about in terms of how the song was framing it, you know, other people's property, you know, other people. I'm not even gonna say those words right here online, but for me, it's O.P.P 2019 is basically utilizing others people's property and making a good living off of it, or making some extra income off of it. So O.P.P is making extra money or more money, or setting up a business off of other people's product. You know, so he's selling others people's product, and basically like the form of affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm gonna go down 4 steps of how you can increase your income or utilize it to make more money using others people's property. Like O.P.P, you know. So making money online 2019, 4 steps using O.P.P. And step number 1 is you got to get an offer. In order to make some money online and be able to establish a business or create something online, you either have to have your own product, or you can go about finding other people's property. Other people product, you know, that's that O.P.P, other people product. And you go about this by doing some market research. So you get involved in some market research. You're trying to figure out what kind of market you want to get into, and is there a demand for that product in that market, or is that market a strong market? For this industry, affiliate marketing, a lot of people do like health and wellness, making money online, increasing your income online, eating diet, like this is a wide, but one of the best ones that's making a lot of noise in the industry is health and wellness. You know, exercising, eating right, eating the right diet, taking supplements, or drinking tea, or, you know, doing the wraps and different things like that. So you can do your market research and find out exactly what your market is offering, and you get involved with the O.P.P, you know, O.P.P 2019. So you start to find out what the market is offering, what product is good in that market, and then after that, you do some product research. So you get involved with the O.P.P. So you basically find others people's product, because a lot of people out there already created their own product and have their product ready to go out into the industry, into the market, and get promoted for sales, stuff like that. So you won't have to create your own product. And for me, like this form of creating income or creating extra income online is one of the best way, because you don't have to create your own product. A lot of times you wouldn't even have to set up any merchant account. Sometimes the merchant account would be already attached to it. You probably just have to have like a PayPal account and a PayPal email. So once you get start doing the market research, you start doing the product research, you know, find somebody's other people's products, you get involved in finding out traffic. So step 2 will be to get traffic to these products, and or offer, and basically it's different methods of driving traffic. So traffic is basically having the ability to have people see your offer, and it's different ways about going it. Like you can send people directly to these links or to these products and they can purchase, or you can set up what I usually do, or what a lot of people like my mentors do, is what you do is you set up a sales funnel where you capture these people information, email and things like that, and you would stay in contact with these people and give them value and give them information based on what the product is about. And with that, now you drive traffic that way, and you'll communicate with them, follow up with them, say, hey, how's it going, things like that. Hey, look what I got here. Hey, y'all remember this right here? Y'all remember that? It's a whole, some people call it nominator, but it's that now later. So you figure out how to get traffic to these products, and the fast way of doing it is like you would want to do something that's like something with like under $100. So you'll test out like placing ads, and you'll drive these traffic to your product or offer. And then after you start to be consistent, when you start to find out where's the fast traffic at and what's it's capable of and what it's consistent of. Like a lot of times people do like YouTube or Instagram. Instagram is a big way of sending traffic to your product and your offer. Well, not even your product, other people's product, that O.P.P 2019. And then you have the ability to capture these leads. That's where you go about setting up the funnel. You capture the lead, you send them to an autoresponder, you follow them with email, using email marketing. A lot of people say email marketing is dead, but that's one of the best way of doing online business, no matter if you're involved with e-commerce, affiliate marketing, CPA, BizOp, whichever kind of online marketing, MLM. A lot of people starting to do MLM online. So you have the ability to capture leads, and once you have those leads in your autoresponder, you can follow up with those people. So say, for example, you're doing something with pots and pans, for example, and you capture these leads of people who like different pots and pans. They like to do woks. They like to do, what's that thing, that new thing, that air fryer, maybe they like air fryers. Then you'll follow up these people like, hey, look at this new air fryer. You don't even need any grease or anything like that, and it's real healthy eating. So after that, now you want to do step 3. Step 3 is tracking your ROI, or tracking your numbers. And tracking your ROI is your return on your investment. So you put a little bit of money into driving traffic, or you can even do it free. You can even drive traffic free, because some of the main ways that I do driving traffic is free, because, my budget for marketing is kind of, I have to watch my budget with marketing. So I do a lot of free traffic, but you can also do paid traffic, and you follow your ROI on your investment. So you see how much people you captured, you see how many sales you make, you see what's the traffic status, how many visitors did you get to your offer, to your product. And then you can measure this through different softwares that's out there. So for example, like Bitly or Goo.gl, however you say that, GOO.gl. Those are different ways of capturing bud URLs, different ways of tracking your links, so you can know what your ROI. So if you say, okay, if I do an Instagram post and this link right here, how many visitors did I get through that Instagram post, that Instagram campaign? Or maybe if you have a Instagram influencers also run a campaign for you, say, okay, how much visitors did X, Y, and Z influencer get me to my product or offer? And then you want to also check your earnings per click. So say if you send out for, like I like to do a lot of low testing myself, so I go to the site and I do, say I get 100 clicks for about $45, and say out of that 100 click I get maybe a good 50 people opt in. So then I want to check my earnings. How many of those 50 people would purchase a product or service or offer? So say you get 10% of those people purchase something, that's $5. And say that the product is, I said $5, so that's 5 people. And say the product is about $30 that you would gain commission off of. So 5 times 30, what's that? About $150 that you would make off of a $45 investment. So that's how you would check out your earnings per click, as well as your lead conversion. So basically off of that math right there, my leads and my conversion was about 45 people. And then out of that 45 to 50 people, 10%, which is a 5, was able to purchase something. So you want to track that, and then you say, okay, well, I send traffic through through this system right here, through that influencer. That influencer got me 5 sales, so let me ramp up. Let me put that $130 back into advertisement, then you ramp it up like that. So that's going to lead into step 4, is where you learn how the market is and where your customers are at, where the visitors at, and then you rinse and repeat. You rinse and repeat. So you rinse it, you see which campaign worked, which one you need to double up on, which one is not working, so you need to stop that one. Like if you're doing a Facebook advertisement, that Facebook advertisement is not reaching the right amount of visitors, so you'll put a pause on that one. Because remember, it's not your product, so it's other people's products. So you want to find out where people are at who are interested in these other people's product. It's pots and pans. It's an air fry. You know, where are these people at that want to eat healthy fried foods without all the grease? So once you do that and you do your testing, your offers, like different sources, and you see which one worked and which one happened, and you find out where the profit is at. And like with the internet is so wide, and it's a variety of things. Like, so I know people that's doing like drop shipping, e-commerce, and CPA marketing. They're making crazy amount of money. And it's not about making crazy amount of money, but what the market is and how the economy is and the government shutdown, there's way of earning extra income from home online, basically working from home online. Or even if you're traveling somewhere, you can make money online using the internet, using your smartphone. And there's so much different ways about doing it. So if you're ever interested in learning some more, if you got some value out of this, please like, comment, and share. Reach out to me if you have any questions about this. And if you're really interested in learning affiliate marketing, how you can make some money with O.P.P 2019, other people product 2019, and establishing yourself online, click the link below and you'll get access to some free training, some free videos about going and doing this. And like, yeah, it's crazy. It's a crazy world. Like, I read, like, discipline myself to read books like .com Secret. One of my first book that I purchased about learning about Internet Millionaire was years ago. I think it was like, 2013, 2014, around that time. I think my wife had just got a layoff notice. She's about to get laid off. And I saw this man, he was on Secret Millionaire. And at the end, he offered this free book. So I got a copy of these free books. And it's crazy because I also was able to make a little commission off of using this book in one of my blog posts before. But it's just so many different things out there, so many ways. You know, you can do Amazon affiliate marketing. You don't even have to have any money to start up. You can start up with zero to low cost. And there's different ways of putting extra income, extra money in your pocket, in your bank account. You know, instead of worrying about living check by check, check to check, you can utilize the internet and create some extra income. So once again, it's AZ Dawkins. Hope you got some value out of this. Hope you're down with O.P.P 2019. Make money online 2019. Till next time, see y'all later. O.P.P, how can I explain?